Did you know that simple daily habits like getting enough sleep or managing stress can be the secret weapon your immune system needs to stay strong? Today, I'm going to show you how these small lifestyle changes can help you protect yourself from illness, even cancer. Think of sleep as your body's nightly repair shop. When you're getting a good night's sleep, it's like giving your immune system the time it needs to recharge and strengthen, ready to take on anything that comes its way. Stress, on the other hand, can be like a thief that sneaks in and drains your energy. But by managing stress through exercise, meditation, or even just a walk in nature, you can plug into the energy leak and keep your immune system running strong. And don't forget about exercise. Regular, moderate exercise is like a daily workout for your immune system, keeping it fit and ready to protect you. But remember, balance is key. Too much of a good thing might just be as harmful as too little. Want more tips on boosting your health naturally? Follow along on our Proven Cancer Strategies Reveal 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series for more insights. We'll see you in the next video. And in the meantime, stay resilient.